Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'd like to tell you a short story again related to the use of simple present tense with single third person as subject. Well, the pattern of simple present tense with single third person here is subject or he or she or it plus verb 1 plus s or es. It is for positive. And then to make question, use does. The pattern is does plus he or she plus verb 1. Now, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence. Okay, are you ready? Now, please listen and repeat after me to improve your speaking skill. Sally Jones is 5 years old. She goes to school every day. She paints pictures and brings them home. She shows the pictures to her mother. Her mother can't understand them. Alright? Do you still remember the story? Please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, to improve your speaking skill. Okay? Sally Jones is 5 years old. She goes to school every day. She paints pictures and brings them home. She shows the pictures to her mother. Her mother can't understand them. Okay, do you still remember? Well, you should memorize the story and you should be able to retell it. Alright, now please answer my question. Question number 1. Is Sally Jones 7 years old? Question number 2. How old is she? The next question, please. Does she go to school every day? Does she paint pictures? Does she bring the pictures home? Does she show the pictures to her mother? The last question. Can her mother understand the pictures? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.